we are assembling the Robin A7 card. And I'm just going to jump right in here. I've been playing around with things a little bit. We're going to assemble a couple of the pieces here. If you excuse me for one moment. That door popped open. I think the cat did it.
Yeah, I know. He keeps coming.
I'm recording. My cat does not like closed doors, so he keeps opening the door to the hall where my son's room is, and he's kind of loud, so the door needs to be closed. Okay, so I'm just going to assemble my bird. This piece goes on, lines up to the top of the feather. The next piece to go on is the beak. And I kind of made a mistake when I cut this out. I used the same colors on my birdhouse as I did on my bird. Oh, mistake, because everything's blending in. So I used the ink pad and I changed the color of his body. It was that color. And I really can't do anything about the dark color. So what I am going to do is, I think I still have some white on this ink pad, and I'm just going to brush it along the edge of them again to kind of try to change the color of them a little bit so he doesn't blend right into his birdhouse. Okay, so the bird is assembled, not all the way. Let's do some ink around his wing. Okay, there's our bird. Now for the poinsettia, I'm just going to pinch these leaves a little bit on each set. And then glue them together. Offset the leaves. And then I'm going to put that in the center there. Whoops. Put my centers in here. And that's the poinsettia. Now we're going to work on the house. I like to use, I need to change my pad tops. I like to use blue to kind of give a little bit of depth to the snow. And do it to all of them while I've got it out. Just ever so lightly. I'm going to pull my poinsettias back in because I do have these bits of snow to put on the tips of some of my branches. There's 2 for the poinsettia. Just going to put glue on a couple edges here. There we are. Okay. Now, back to the birdhouse. So you just want to line this right up to the top. I'm going to use some black, maybe. Just highlight this just a little. Around the cutout, just a little. So when you put this piece on, you can see here you've got these two straight edges, and that's how you're going to line it up. This bit of snow is going to go here across the top of the branch. And this snow going to go right in here. I'm going to apply my poinsettia. Should have moved the snow over a little bit more, I think. Right about there. That looks good. I just want to keep it within the shape of the birdhouse. And then for my bird, I'm going to use foam tape. I'm going to place him right here. I think the inking really helped him stand out from the birdhouse when I first laid these pieces together. I was upset with myself for making the colors all the same, but I think that turned out okay. So here's our card base, and we have a liner for the inside. I haven't put that on yet. And then this is a liner for the outside. And I want to line up my birdhouse. And this is why I said keep these pieces within the confines of the birdhouse. I just want to line that up right like that. Now I'm looking to see if I want to add some dimension to it. I don't think so, because this one might go in the mail. So I'm just gonna put some glue here. sure it looks straight. There is a small tag there if you want to add that. Stamp to stamp on. Merry Christmas. Maybe. Happy birthday. And there it is. There is the Robin A7 card. Thank you for joining me.